My name is Johan Malmström. I'm cybersecurity product owner at Westermo.
My name is Jonas Nilsson and I am a product security engineer at Westermo. At Westermo, we need vulnerability management to keep track of potential vulnerabilities that we have in our products.
Our products are used to protect customer data and operations.
They are used in critical infrastructure, and we need a clear way to communicate with our customers about potential threats and potential mitigations for these threats.
It's a vital part of our software offering to have software updates, and in the long term it will be a regulation requirement specifically in Europe.
At Westermo, we get information about potential vulnerabilities from several different sources, including public databases, where we subscribe to some of the more known CVE databases. And we also get information from third parties and potentially from customers when they find potential issues in the products out in the field. We also have internal developers and testers that continuously work towards finding new threats and potentially new vulnerabilities in our products before anyone else.
Hi, my name is Anna.
And my name is Elin, and we both work as software test developers here at Westermo. Our role is basically to test software, in our case our own operating system, VOS, and we do this to ensure software quality.
And we do this by, for example, implement automated tests and use external tools.
Basically, everything we do here at Test is related to finding vulnerabilities in some way.
We have functional regression testing, for example, and here, in our software lab, we each night run hundreds of automated tests.
We also continuously use external testing tools, for example, to check for vulnerabilities, performance testing, fuzz testing, and robustness testing.
And we also do specific release activities before each software release. For example, we use these external testing tools that Elin mentioned, and we also have other specific release activities.
When we find out about a vulnerability, we discuss it in our product security incident response team.
If we have got the information from a researcher, we might reach out to that researcher and to get more information to confirm that we have performed the right tests or such.
And we try to triage and analyze the vulnerability to see how our products are affected or if we are vulnerable at all. To decide what vulnerabilities we act on, we have several different factors, including the severity of the vulnerability and if our customers are affected by it.
For instance, is there a known exploit for this vulnerability or not? And we measure that in urgency. So if our customers are affected or not, for instance, that gets a higher urgency. So we put severity and urgency together, and by that we get a priority. After a vulnerability is confirmed, we have mainly two things that we do. The first one is remediation, and the second one is disclosure. In remediation, we fix the vulnerability. From the R&D team takes measures to change the code or update a software package or something related to that, removes the vulnerability from our software. The disclosure part is that we get together and discuss how to disclose the vulnerability and how to write a security advisory that we publish. We usually publish security advisories depending on scoring. How severe is this vulnerability? And so we might publish initial disclosure for transparency's sake, even if we haven't fixed the vulnerability as such. So two things, we have remediation and producing a patch, and disclosure, producing a security advisory. To assist our customers with patching, we have
our own application called WeConfig. In this application, you will be notified about new vulnerabilities and the patches that we have released.
We assist our customers with service advisories and patches, which we publish on our webpage, Westermo.com. We also at times publish together with CISA at cisa.org our jointly developed vulnerability reports. The most valuable part of Westermo's process is the security advisories that we publish. We publish them for transparency to our customers. Our customers can use them to mitigate risks in their system to safeguard our critical infrastructure.
By being transparent about vulnerabilities, we can help our customers mitigate threats.